channel. Today we're talking about these treats. So stay tuned and I'll tell you all about them while I do my makeup using this beautiful Morphe palette. And my dog, she wants to be in the video. Come here, Hula, come here. Come say hi. No, she just wants to play. Okay, bye. Check it out. I'm gonna start with this Share Joy color, which is like a super yellow. And that's Hula, my dog, I tell ya. And that's just gonna go on the outside here, all the way to the brow. So this is the drink that I'm gonna be drinking. I'll tell you guys all about it. It seems pretty gnarly. I actually don't know much about this. I know that it's Aggretsuko, I think it's called. I don't know, it's an energy drink, so let's pop that baby open. I'm gonna try it. Liquid Rage it's called. It's real good actually. It tastes like, I don't know, I guess it tastes kind of like oranges, so that's cool. And you know what, sometimes you need a little liquid rage. It's like liquid courage, but instead raging around. It'd probably be good for like before you clean or something. Just get yourself all ragey and clean the house. I don't know. I'm gonna blend that up a little bit. I haven't been sleeping real good lately and I'm sure this is not gonna help, but it's kind of early in the day. It's like 1 o'clock. So I should be fine by the time that it's bedtime. Although the other night I slept all the way through the night, all the way past my husband waking up for work and all the way until he got out of the shower. So that was awesome because I usually wake up before him, but yeah. All right, next I'm gonna get rid of my liner because as you guys know, my eyeliner's tattooed. So I'm gonna kinda get rid of that baby or do my best. It doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't bug me, but for the look I'm doing, should have done this first. Now I'm gonna go in with this Listen color, which is like a brownish color, and that's gonna go kind of like underneath all of that. Excuse me. Well, there's definitely bubbles, you know what I'm saying? And get that on both eyes. And I'm gonna blend that out a bit. I'm gonna go in with Unify, which is the darkest brown, and that's going to kind of go over the same area, just a little lower. All the way down to the base, and blend that out a bit, kind of smudging them all together. I'm gonna clean up around my eyes because I made a giant mess. I'm gonna touch up my concealer. And I also got wasabi coated green peas. They're roasted. That is the packaging of that. And I'm really excited to try these. Okay, they're so cute. These are so good. Dude, I need to do snacks and makeup more often. Just be careful because there's like a little thing in there. Don't accidentally eat that. Well, shoot, now I feel like I have to add green. Oh, and I gotta be careful not to get wasabi in my eyeball. That would be bad. That would be real bad. I just realized if I do green, it'll be the same colors almost of the look that I did last time, but reversed. I don't know if I want to do that. Do I want to do that? I don't know. Well, anyway, I'm gonna go in with this Represent, which is like a black glittery color, and that's gonna go over the bottomest part of my eye, and I'm probably gonna have to wipe it again because I just made this last minute decision to do black. I'm starting to get worried it would be too similar to the other look, even though it's not like the other look. But anyway, now blend that in. Oh my god, these are so good. A part of me is like afraid I'm gonna explode between this and this. I don't know what's gonna happen. I think I'm gonna go in with blue because this guy has blue, so it kind of feels right. So we're gonna do that instead. I feel like that'll make it different enough, you know? So I'm gonna go in with the Make Space. Listen, sometimes you just gotta use different colors than you would in real life. And then you realize it's cool. Is it cool? Maybe. We'll see. And then I'm gonna do Stand Up, which is like a navy. Kind of vibrant navy. I don't know. Can navy be vibrant? Oh, actually going on, it's quite navy. Is it weird that I kind of want to put that navy color going into here? Can I even do that? Is that allowed? Well, it's happening, so anyway. I bet some of the greatest inventions started with like a mistake or just doing something I would never normally do. Duh. I think it's pretty cool. Of course, I have to like wipe my eyes down again because I just keep messing them up. Now I'm kind of gonna blend this navy and this light blue. I really love these colors together, actually. I like mixing cool and warm tones. It feels like an art project, which I love. I don't think I want to do liner. I think I'm gonna leave it like that. And then I'll use this Spark Ideas again in my inner corner here. I'm gonna use this for a little highlight. I'm gonna show you guys one of my favorite gadgets. It's a little fan and you can charge it as like a USB charging thing, and it has a little flashlight. I don't know how to turn off the flashlight. There, that's the flashlight. So I just did my mascara on the bottom, and I can use this to like dry it really fast so I don't smudge everything, and it goes even faster. So when I do people's makeup, if I do something that needs to dry, I use this fan. As you guys know, I tour for a living. When I bring this through security, I'm always like, I hope they don't think it's something else. You know, I don't know what. All right, I'll be back with my lashes on. My lashes are on. My dog's running around like crazy. I don't know why she's sad. I'm gonna put on a little lip. Why are you sad? You wanna come here? You wanna say hi? Come on. Up. Hula. Say hi to everyone. She's gotten bigger. Oh, it's because I'm putting on lips again. Every time. Every time I put on lips, you wanna sniff them. I took her outside so I know she doesn't have to go. She's just jumping around like a crazy person. This is just a Sephora crayon in the color Unfiltered. So just like nothing. This is the finished look. Hope you guys like it. Live with Love palette. I'll do more looks out of this palette for sure. Come on. These are my delicious wasabi peas. Roasted coated green peas. I thought about doing my liner like that, but I didn't. Maybe some other time. Maybe it'll be one of my Halloween looks. I have my Liquid Rage. I have my dog. What else do you need, you know, in this world besides those things, okay? Live with Love palette. I love it. Thanks for joining me today. Hope to see you guys back soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And check out these snacks. I got them at World Market. I don't know if you guys have one where you live, but they have all kinds of like snacks. So I might do more videos with random foreign snacks in them. I don't know if these are foreign proper. I mean, they're made in America, these specifically. Ooh, don't be sad. Do you need to go outside? I think she needs to go outside. I gotta go, guys. I'll see you later. Bye.